Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co chart of the day. Next we'll go over to the FANG stocks and starting with Facebook, and if we look at our the right-hand chart here, which has trend strength and trend momentum on each axis, and this Netflix chart here is moving down towards that bottom left-hand corner, suggesting that we have decreasing trend strength and decreasing trend momentum, suggesting that this certainly is the very strong underperformer in the FANGs, and certainly looking at the Ichimoku chart has moved down below each of the Ichimoku indicators and finding some support within the Ichimoku cloud. So a negative market in the medium and fast term timeframes, and certainly a neutral market in big picture terms. So certainly Netflix has been the weaker performer. Just looking at Nvidia is also rotating down towards that left hand corner, certainly not as weak as Netflix, but still trading within the Ichimoku cloud, trading around the Kijun Sen and Tenkan-sen, so neutral in the medium and fast term timeframes, but certainly strongly neutral by trading within the cloud here. Negative candle here today with a black body and on an uptrend, changing trend to the upside, but very significant resistance up around this 255 level for Nvidia. And looking at one of the stronger stocks here in the FANGs, Facebook, and if we look here, Facebook starting to move back up towards that top right-hand corner, so it means increasing trend strength and trend momentum. If we look at the Ichimoku chart, a solid performance here in terms of trending activity on the Ichimoku indicators, suggesting strength in all three time frames, uptrend, and supported by the Chikas band, but just starting to look a little overextended in depth above the cloud. If we do see a potential retracement off the back of this small-bodied candle from today, looking for support initially at the Tenkan-sen at 209, then down at the Kijun-sen at 204, very close to that round number 200. And next we'll go to Microsoft. Microsoft has been a solid performer, just starting to come off in terms of trend momentum, so could start to see it roll over. Excuse me. If we look at the Ichimoku chart, very strong in terms of activity above each of the Ichimoku indicators. The Tenkan-sen is pointing up very sharply, but a black body candle with the sellers taking control today does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend. Upon any change of trend, looking for solid support to form at the Tenkan-sen indicator on Microsoft around the 105 level. And over to Google, and Google is the better performer, has been over recent days in terms of trend strength and trend momentum. The outperformer here in recent times, moving up towards that top right-hand corner. If we look at the Ichimoku chart, gapping up today, black body candle, yes, but certainly the range, true range here is very, very strong, suggesting very, very strong eagerness here. It wouldn't surprise to see the market attempt to fill this gap and move back towards the Tenkan-sen, but with each of the Ichimoku indicators pointing up very sharply, it reflects that very strong upside momentum, and the Tenkan-sen does tend to be very, very strong support upon that first encounter on any retracement. So at 1210, the Tenkan-sen is likely to hold as significant support. If that is breached in a bearish manner, it will suggest that we have a change of sentiment, so that will be important. But certainly this market has been trading above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen for the last couple of weeks, has taken out some significant highs previously, and is a very, very strong outperformer here.